Speaker. Can I firstly thank the Right Honourable Member for opening Shetland for securing this important urgent question. The Coastguard Rescue Officers from Cyffredin and Preseli that I've spoken to in recent weeks have all shared a common concern. The first being that as many as half of their colleagues in the Coastguard Service will reconsider their positions should this new proposed model come into effect. And secondly, just as important, is the impact on partner emergency services. And so, with regards to some of the statements that the MCA leadership have made on the operational impact of these changes, could the Minister ensure that these assessments and these modelling are made public so that we can properly scrutinise them and have confidence that we understand the consequences of this decision before it is made?
I thank the Honourable Gentleman for his question. He points to a very important fact that the MCA CROs conduct their work alongside other emergency services and full-time employees of the MCA, and we need to take all of those operational impacts into account. In response to another question, I said that I've instructed officials to determine what can be shared in relation to this process, and I will have more to say on that in due course.